Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever noticed that for all their intelligence, smart assistants can be pretty clueless about the physical world? You can show an AI a picture of a room, but if you ask it which chair is closer, it will often get it wrong. That's because most AI models see images as flat, 2D collections of pixels, lacking any real sense of depth or 3D space. A new research paper introduces a model called G2VLM, which stands for Geometry Grounded Vision Language Model, designed to fix this exact problem. As you can see in these examples, it can look at a picture and correctly identify that the brown chair is closer than the red sofa. It can even estimate how a camera moved between two photos or figure out the relationship of objects relative to a certain viewpoint. So how does it gain this spatial awareness? The design is inspired by a concept in human cognition called the two streams hypothesis. This theory suggests our brain has a what pathway for identifying objects and a separate where pathway for understanding their location in space. Similarly, G2VLM is built with two cooperating experts. One is a semantic expert that understands language and recognizes what's in an image, like a chair or a table. The other is a geometric expert, a specialist that learns to reconstruct the 3D geometry of a scene from just the 2D images. These two parts work together, sharing information to build a comprehensive understanding of both the objects and their layout in a 3D space. This allows the AI to not just see objects, but to reason about their positions, distances, and relationships. But the most impressive part is how well it performs. Let's look at the results from a test called SparBench, which is specifically designed to measure an AI's spatial reasoning skills. Here, the specialized version of this model, G2VLM, SR, achieves a score of 54.87. For comparison, the powerful GPT-4 model scores only 36.39 on the same test. That's a massive improvement from a model that is significantly smaller. This demonstrates that teaching an AI the fundamentals of 3D geometry is crucial for genuine spatial intelligence. So, let's recap the key points. Most AI models are spatially blind, but G2VLM learns to see in 3D by reconstructing scenes from 2D images. It achieves this using a clever two-expert design inspired by the human brain, one for what and one for where. And its performance proves the effectiveness of this approach, significantly outperforming larger models on spatial tasks. What could this mean for the future? Imagine smarter robots that can actually navigate a cluttered room, or augmented reality systems that can give you truly helpful directions. It could even lead to tools where you can edit a 3D environment just by describing what you want to change. This is a significant step towards creating AI that doesn't just process information, but truly understands the physical world around us. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.